Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making a plasma powered mortar launcher. We're going to need after you cut all the pieces, you're going to put the end cap onto the littlest. Then we're going to make the same exact thing. Then we're going to use a T-fitting, and we're just going to aim it up a little, just like that. And then on this big piece, you want to hot glue the end, one end of it. And then the end that is not hot glued, you're going to stick into the T-fitting, and the part that is hot glued is going to stick up. Then we're going to take a T-fitting, and we're going to stuff it on like this. Then we're going to take the barrel and stick it on. And then with these little cuts, you want 4. And then these are for so every little bit of air can get out before it shoots off the end. And then it's 4 little gaps right here, so if it touches the end of the bottle, air can still, propane can still get out. Then we're gonna take this and put it in. Then we're gonna take this little piece fitting. We're gonna stuff it like this, and it has a screw thing on them. Then we're gonna screw this in all the way. Then we take this little piece of hose, and then we'll stuff it up. Then we take the torch, the propane powered torch, and then we push it in all the way until it touches that. And that is how you make a plasma powered mortar launcher. Please like and subscribe to this video. 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off.